Welcome to the NewsRamp Science Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Saturday morning, July 26, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of science news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Fewer head injuries, not less abuse. COVID's hidden toll. A recent study found that child physical abuse, CPA, remained consistent during the COVID-19 pandemic, with a decline in intracranial and retinal hemorrhages. Researchers from Children's Hospital Los Angeles and the University of Southern California discovered a drop in severe head injuries while overall abuse rates stayed constant. This suggests a potential shift in how abusive injuries were inflicted or detected, rather than a reduction in abuse itself. Dr. Joseph M. Rich, co-author and radiologist at the Keck School of Medicine, USC, highlighted the concern that serious injuries may be missed or not reported due to disrupted care systems. The findings underscore the need for enhanced child abuse detection strategies during public health emergencies, with a call to increase remote monitoring capabilities for physicians and educators.
Biomed News Breaks. Targeting the unmet, Soligenix Inc., NASDAQ SNGX building portfolio for rare conditions. Soligenix Inc., a late-stage biopharmaceutical company, is developing SGX-945, an investigational drug designed to address the therapeutic gap in Behçet's disease. This rare autoimmune illness can have severe symptoms, and current treatments may have adverse effects. SGX-945 aims to modulate the body's immune response without suppressing it, offering a more targeted approach. Soligenix's commitment to developing SGX-945 aligns with its mission to address unmet medical needs in rare diseases. The company's pipeline includes products targeting inflammatory conditions and biodefense indications, demonstrating its dedication to improving patient outcomes in underserved populations.
Fueling Nevada's mining renaissance alongside Lahontan Gold Corp, TSX, QB, LGC, XF. Walker Lane in Nevada is a key player in the mining industry, with Lahontan Gold Corp standing out for its focus on blending historical production with modern exploration. The region has drawn attention from both junior miners and major players, with Lahontan advancing 4 premier gold and silver prospects. Walker Lane has produced over 40 million ounces of gold, representing nearly 20% of Nevada's total output. Lahontan's strategic projects are capitalizing on this rich history and modern opportunities, positioning the company for growth in the mining sector. Rock Breaks. Nicola Mining Inc., Sext, Nayem, OTCU Kiev, poised for steady production, long-term success in British Columbia. Nicola Mining Inc., listed on the TSX Davy as NEM and on the OTCQB as HUSEF, has begun processing high-grade gold and silver ore at its Merritt Mill facility in British Columbia. The company expects to process 60,000 tons of ore annually, producing 21,000 ounces of gold-equivalent concentrate. CEO Peter Espig expressed excitement over Nicola's transition to a steady producer, taking advantage of current precious metal prices. The company has also expanded its geological team and is gearing up for an exploration campaign at the new Craigmont Project and Treasure Mountain Silver Mine. For more information, visit Nicola Mining's website.
Rock Breaks. LaFleur Minerals Inc., OTCQB, LFLRF, 3WK0, spotlights gold strategy and mill acquisition on Mining Newswire podcast. LaFleur Minerals Inc., a Canadian gold exploration and development company, is spotlighted on the latest episode of the Mining Newswire podcast. Chairman Cal Malley and CEO Paul Tenier discussed the company's positioning as a near-term producer in Quebec's Abitibi gold belt, focusing on the advanced Swanson Gold Project and fully permitted Beacon Mill. Malley talks about acquiring the mill through a strategic bankruptcy bid, while Tenier highlights the fast-track production path amid rising gold prices and growing regional opportunity. LaFleur Minerals is focused on developing district-scale gold projects in the Abitibi Gold Belt near Val-d'Or, Quebec, with a mission to advance projects with a laser focus on the Swanson Gold Project and Beacon Gold Mill. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the Ramp Science Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.